What's going on, guys? It's Ricky with Tactical Solutions. So we have about 5 minutes until the market opens. Just wanted to cover a couple stocks that offer anywhere from 3 to 5% potential for profit. If you guys can do me the biggest favor, this is just me sharing my thought process, and no way is this for you to actually trade any of the actual stocks that I'm talking about. And I just want to make sure that you understand that we have 3 rules within Tactical Solutions. We don't invest based on other people's opinion. We don't invest in what we don't understand, and we always have a plan when investing. So understanding the form or the importance of risk management. Let's go ahead and go down the list. And let me talk to you guys about the ones that are the margins of support and resistance that I see value in for intraday trading today. So all within one day. So one of the things that I noticed right away is that UYAS was one of the top runners yesterday for one of our top swing trades. And it has a support right around 10:10 during pre-market hours. If you could see, it pulls back. Golden view up is right around that 10:10 price point. At overall highs of 1072. So I'm going to put the resistance at highs of 1070. Therefore, if we actually try to identify the margin of profit that this thing offers, all intraday, right, during pre-market hours, from low to high from 1010 to highs of 1070, obviously this is a perfect picture. It's 595, almost about 6%. So it definitely, if you see value in UGAS and the potential bounce that it could have at $10.10, you're always going to want to cut your losses at some point. So make sure that you manage your risk and that your potential for profit is much greater than your potential for loss. One of the things that I did see about AMD during pre-market hours is that it's not really moving much based on the price point that it was at yesterday. One of the things that I'm waiting for is I'm going to set my alert once it goes above $12, just because it would be a little bit more relevant at that price point. And I'm going to do 1201. I'm also going to set my alert if it breaks below. It usually has a pullback, so if it breaks below 1065 and kind of pulls back to that $10.60, $11.60 support, then I'll have a better understanding that if it does validate that support just like it did yesterday, then I can get in at the low points and then again sell at the high points, and that doesn't offer huge margin. That's about 3% potential from lows to highs. But again, this is AMD, and it's definitely within the big picture been seeing signs of a solid uptrend. That little cup and handle trend, which is something that we called out multiple times as it was selling off. All we were waiting for was that uptrend, right? So now looking at JNUG. JNUG was one that I personally traded yesterday and unfortunately sold way too early. And it's right back at $16. So if it continues this uptrend from 16 based on its previous highs that it had yesterday of 1650, we'd be looking at about 3% potential for profit. Again, nothing huge, but 3% a day definitely keeps the bills away, right? So, and again, the overall support is anywhere around 1585. So you can cut losses if it goes below 1580, whatever it is that you formulate to be a good entry, exit, and stop loss strategy. So I just wanted to expose you guys to JNUG and its consolidation that it's been having, with its numerous days around, $15 to $16. We're waiting for that break and that hold. So today might be a good day to get back in JNUG. So now we have 51 seconds left. AKS wasn't showing much potential yesterday. It was showing a bounce at 430, resistance at 440. So that potential itself is about anywhere from 2 to almost 3%. So just wanted to expose you guys to that certain opportunity. Something that I saw very interesting about GoPro is that if you do a 10-day analysis on GoPro, within the past couple of days for GoPro, it's been consolidating below $9. So it has not actually broken above $9. And if it did, it does not actually hold. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to set my alert when we break above $9, as it's going to become more relevant of an uptrend. If it continues trending down, then we most likely don't want to touch it. But overall support is anywhere around 880. I know it has dropped below 880, but overall it has a pretty decent, support at that price point. Let's go ahead and look at GNC. GNC has built a support at 880 and a resistance at 680 and highs of 685. Okay. I'm just going to talk about a couple of the ones that are already starting to show signs of an uptrend. This is UCTT, the one that we called out for one of the top swing trades, already showing signs of an uptrend. Another one is CENX. CENX was the one that we called out at 1370, and it's been showing signs of an uptrend ever since. So just wanted to talk about that one as well. And then Hawk. Hawk was one that was showing signs of an uptrend. We called out the resistance at $36, and it looks like it did validate that resistance, and it's now trending below the EMA within the 180-day analysis. One of the things that I do want to let you guys know about ESPR is that it did report its earnings did not hit its expectations. So we might actually see a drop in price on ESPR. But this one played out, almost perfectly. We called out that resistance at $50 and it hit highs of $49.50. And we called out the support when it was at $43, $44. If you guys ever saw that video. We do still have LXGTF, and this one did end up validating that support at 40 cents and the resistance at 45. So like we said, the low points, the high points, cut losses if it goes below that and breaks the trend. But it's a very easy intraday play where the potential for profit is much greater than the potential loss. And the potential loss is obviously much smaller. So just wanted to talk about that one real quick. But that's pretty much it, guys. There's obviously going to be a number of stocks that are going to be doing extremely well today. Pick one or two of them, formulate a plan, and stick to it. But realistically, just make sure it's something that you see value in and not based on other people's opinion. I wish you guys the best of luck in everything there's that you guys do. All the links are down in the description if you guys want to stay connected to our group. So this is TechBud Solutions. This is our Discord chat. We have a little bit over. Oh man, this is the TechBud Solutions Discord chat. Yeah. All right. So this is the TechBud Solutions Discord chat. Sorry about that. And then we have the Facebook group with over 52,000, over 53,000 members with all the different platforms we have available. So we'd love to have you as a part of the group. Again, it is all for free. And if you want to learn exactly about what it is that I do personally, if you've ever browsed over to my YouTube channel, feel free to check that out. I invest in real estate, I invest in the stock market, and then I have a series of different companies, and I do different things on the side to produce multiple sources of income. So that's going to be the first link in the description to learn a little bit more about what it is that I do. Like always, guys, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take care, team.